what I'm doing is I gotta paint these black, but right now I gotta sand this stuff out. So if you ever have this issue with your, see, these were already factory finished, and the factory finished paint is a lot more brittle than compared to this other stuff, which there's not too much of it on here, but you can see right here where it's like coming off, where it's kind of hard, just like a shell. But you want to sand all these rough edges down. See all these little sharp edges? The sharp edges is what you want to sand down. See? Yeah. See the sharp edges right there? I'm going to sand all of them down, and the same with this one. That far hit was at 120. So now I'm going to hit it with 220. Now that right there is a perfect blend of what you want. Because anywhere you got stuff like this, where it's just like a flat chip, like it's a real sharp chip, any place that you got something like that, when you paint this, you'll see that. So in order to get that out, you can either sand it off or sand that edge down. And a lot of times it's easier just to sand it down and sand it off. But this right here is actually bit real good. For some reason it's not really coming off, so I'm just sanding it out. But all this stuff right here will come off. Don't forget, for new tips, new content, hit that subscribe button. Plus you'll help us out getting this to the you help us get this channel up and running like it really needs to be. So I would really be grateful if you could hit that subscribe button. It's totally free. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. You know what I mean? And then what you're gonna do is, as you're sanding this off, you're actually sanding this too. So this right here be knocked down to a real nice finish. And if you notice, I'm sanding it with the green. I'm not going this way. That's the worst thing you can do, because if I went like this, even though I'm painting this, you'll still see it. Like you can see every one of these marks. That's what I'm saying. If you scratch them or anything like that, you'll see it. That's why it's actually an issue if you.